Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the cell that shows hash value and tracing its precedence. This reveals where the bad input originates. Once done, run evaluate formula to step through each operation so you see which argument fails. Make sure to inspect nearby cells for text stored as numbers, non-breaking spaces, or unexpected booleans. You do this because Excel throws hash value when an operand type or character is incompatible with the function you used. Next, correct the offending inputs and adjust the formula logic so operations match types. Convert strings to numbers with value or multiply by 1, and apply trim and clean to remove stray spaces and control characters that break functions. If you use concatenation versus addition, swap operators. Confirm array formulas use Control plus Shift plus Enter in Legacy Excel. You do this because aligning types and ranges prevents Excel from rejecting an argument and returns a valid result instead of hash value. Finally, stabilize the sheet and add safeguards so the error doesn't reappear. Wrap volatile or risky formulas in IFR to return a clean message or blank while you log the issue. Then recalc the workbook and use error checking to confirm no other cells fail. Once results are verified, paste values to lock them in. If trouble persists, check regional date or decimal settings and search for non-breaking spaces. These hidden characters often cause persistent hash value issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.